Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the latest wardrobe design ideas. So because beauty of your entire home depends a lot of your home decor. Lot of people think the decor only to be furniture and nothing else. Your home decor involves almost everything that contribute to the aesthetics of your home is one way of other ways. So everything that makes your home appear more visual appealing. But in the home decor categories that includes your furniture, curtains, wall hangings and wardrobes to be many elements of your home decor. If you are especially wardrobes for your bedrooms, wardrobes have big role to play added to aesthetic beauty of your home decor. In addition, they have to functional purpose to serve all well. They provide to more space for the storing your clothes and other such items. Organized manner. Wardrobes can be modified according to your taste and exciting home decor. You can go simple and elegant, added a touch of your combinations. So would not be wise to compare wardrobes that are installed to completely different types of houses. Wardrobes. So the designs you choose for your wardrobes should make you want to stay in your bedroom for longer. First you need to all find yourself developer. Wardrobes make a large part of your bedroom, hence it is essential to design it well. Besides aesthetic, usability are important for you to store everything in the wardrobe. Wardrobe in bedrooms usually have multiple purposes of using space effectively. Make sure you see space in the bedroom effectively to build wardrobes and use the space effectively. Inside wardrobes with just enough shelves. This wardrobe design is for bedroom, perfect for larger rooms. They have used high reflective white material for the doors and brown wooden handles. There are large double door wardrobes for effective storage. They also have dressing unit and cabinets above. The dressing unit and cabinets wooden texture matching the natural color scheme. The white tiles and flooring also complete the white design. And this is sliding wardrobe design with 2 wardrobes and 1 door. White reflective acrylic door and 3 large black strips in the middle of matte finish. The sliding door wardrobe design is perfect for your room. They do not occupy space when open. Sliding doors design will look elegant in your